Santa Giulia Beach is nestled on the southern coast of Corsica, France, and is famous for its stunning beauty and crystal-clear blue waters. With fine sand beaches and clear sea waters, Santa Giulia attracts tourists from all over the world to visit and enjoy the relaxing space. With beautiful landscapes and convenient services, Santa Giulia Beach is not only an ideal place for relaxing trips but also an ideal destination for those who love nature and want to enjoy peaceful moments. Peace in the middle of pristine nature. Santa Giulia is not only a wonderful destination in terms of nature and tourism, but also a place that reflects the diversity and importance of its climate and people. Santa Giulia Beach, with its geographical location in the south of the island of Corsica, France, is one of the famous tourist destinations on the Mediterranean coast. Located about 7 kilometers southeast of the town of Porto Vecchio, Santa Giulia lies among other important tourist locations on Corsica, including Palembaggia to the northeast and Bonifacio to the southwest. With a terrain concave deep into the sea and surrounded by green mountains, Santa Giulia Beach creates a beautiful and attractive image for visitors. Located about a 20-minute drive from the center of Porto Vecchio, Santa Giulia takes you on a short but memorable trip through winding roads and interesting countryside landscapes. With a special geographical location and wonderful natural beauty, Santa Giulia Beach is not only an ideal destination for those who want to enjoy natural beauty but also a place to relax and regenerate energy in the open air. The peace and quiet of the sea. Santa Giulia Beach is not only a popular tourist destination on the island of Corsica, but is also an important element to the local economy and community in Santa Giulia. With a large number of visitors every year, tourism has had a significant impact on the economy and lives of local residents in Santa Giulia. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone and see you in the next videos.